Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely fantastic Yamaha RD400. Here we have a Yamaha RD400. This is a 1976 machine on a P plate with an indicated 3,412 miles. This bike's in excellent condition and comes in the very nice blue colour scheme with the Yamaha speed block design. Bar ends and the levers and the mirrors all looking really good, and the seat likewise in great condition. Rear mudguard all good as well. It's about as original as you can find really. You've got the addition of these aftermarket exhausts here, but we do have the standard expansion chambers as well, so no problem there. Rear wheel all in good condition as you can see there, and the rear shock, no sign of any corrosion there at all. Rear mudguard's all good. Rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one there as well. Those expansion chambers there are, to be fair, a thing of beauty, and they sound absolutely superb. The engine's all in good condition there as well. There's a little bit of age-related wear there from a boot, but you've got to expect that on a bike that is nearly as old as I am. Indicators all good. Fork legs in great condition as well, and you can just see the front of the engine and the headers there all in excellent condition, just like that front wheel, again all in great condition, and the front tyre plenty of life left in that one there. The chrome mudguard all in great condition as well, along with the original headlamp. The left hand side of the bike, that's all in great condition as well. It's been really well loved, this bike, by its various owners over the years. Bar ends, levers all good, as is the indicator there, and the fork leg again in excellent condition, and the front wheel likewise. Petrol tank on this side, again no stone chips, no damage, no scratches, as the same with the side panel there, no sign of any drop damage. Engine all in good condition there. It's a nice honest bike, this one, I have to say. Chain sprockets all in good order as well, and there's the expansion chamber on the left hand side looking absolutely superb. So as we said, the seat in really good condition there, and the petrol tank likewise there. Those analog clocks, of course, this being a bike from the 70s, none of your digital nonsense here, very much an analog machine with that superb two-stroke character. So if you are looking for a collectible for your collection, look no further than this stunning Yamaha RD400. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our modern classics come with an MOT if required, along with a full safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this superb RD400, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.